So students, today we will discuss about MCQs related to classification and nomenclature of organic compounds. So here we will start from question 1. Which of the following statements is not true about a homologous series of organic compounds? Homologous series is concerned, so homologous series has some characteristic feature that same functional group and with difference of CH2 with two successive compounds of the same homologous series means adjacent members. So this is correct. The difference in molecular mass of any two adjacent member is 14, C12 plus 2 hydrogen 14. This is also correct. The homologues can generally be prepared by the same general methods. Exactly correct, because if we are making a particular functional groups in a homologous series, the same methods will be applicable. The homologues have identical physical and chemical properties. Due to identical functional groups, chemical properties of homologues will be identical, but physical properties will be different. It depends on the molecular weight, size, branch, and so many factors involved in it. So all the homologues of a series have not the same physical properties, and here the homologues have identical physical, so this is not correct, and the question is not true about homologues, so D is the correct option. Which of the following properties of carbon is mainly responsible for its ability to form a large number of compounds? Only catenation. क्लास 9-10 से ही आप डिस्कस करते हैं इसको. सो कैटिनेशन प्रॉपर्टी कार्बन की मैक्सिमम होती है, एंड कैटिनेशन इज प्रॉपर्टी टू बाइंड और मेक अ बॉन्ड विद इटसेल्फ. सो हियर coordinate ability to form ring compound, strong catenation property, option D is the correct answer. Next question, here few structures are given. Which of the following is an alicyclic compound? Alicyclic, A is heterocyclic, C is heterocyclic, D is heterocyclic, B is alicyclic, because here cyclic ring with all the carbon bonds are present, but in heterocyclic, in the ring, inside ring, another atoms like oxygen, sulfur are present along with carbon. This is heterocyclic compounds, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and so on. Which of the following is a heterocyclic compound? Heterocyclic compounds are those in which in a ring along with carbon bond, some other carbon with other elements bonds are present. Here cyclic ring outside OH is present, cyclic ring outside NH2 is present, cyclic ring with ketone carbon is present, cyclic ring with oxygen attached with the carbon on both the sides. So this is the heterocyclic compound because oxygen is present inside the ring. Here, which of the following classes of compounds has the general formula CnH2n-2? Alkynes, correct. Alkadies, correct. Cycloalkenes, also correct. All of these is the correct option, because if we know about CnH2n-2, so it forms alkyne, alkadiene, and cycloalkene, three types of compounds like C4H6, alkyne 1, 2, 3, 4, triple bond. Next, this will be CH2, CH3, and this will be CH. C4H6. Alkadines 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond, CH2, CH, CH, double bond, CH2. Again C4H6. For cycloalkene, this is cyclopropene with double bond CH, CH, CH2, again C4H6. So CnH2n-2 has alkyne, alkadiene, and cycloalkene. So this fourth option D is correct, all of these. The smallest hydrocarbon which contains secondary carbons only secondary carbons. Propane has primary and secondary. Cyclobutane has all secondary but smallest but probe. So but will not be included in this because smallest means probe. Cyclopropanol, but here hydrocarbon is given, so cyclopropane will be the correct answer because cyclopropanol is alicyclic alcohol. And if cyclopropane, we will draw the structure like this. All the carbon are secondary, all the carbon in this alicyclic are secondary. Next, at least how many carbon must be present in an alkane such that it may contain primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon? If an alkane is concerned, then all the types of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbons. So primary, then secondary, then tertiary, then quaternary. This is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, 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 CH3. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is primary carbon. This is secondary carbon. This is secondary carbon. This is tertiary carbon attached with 3 carbons on 3 directions. This is quaternary. So this compound of alkane has all the 4 types of carbon present, and we will give the name 2, 2, 3 trimethyl pentane. This, and it contains 8 carbons. So minimum 8 carbons are required for an alkane to represent primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbons. So here 688 is the correct answer. Next is, let's see which of the following hydrocarbons contains tertiary carbons only. Tertiary carbons means the carbon bonded with 3 carbons in 3 directions. So this point, all the points has tertiary carbon, all the points has tertiary carbon, all the points has tertiary carbon. So all of these is the correct answer. Next structure is compound this. The IUPAC name of CH3 whole thrice CH double bond CH2. So 1, 2, 3. At 3 position 2 methyl are attached. So 1, 2, 3. 3, 3 dimethyl but 1 in. 3, 3 dimethyl. 3, 3 dimethyl but 1 in is the correct answer. Next is the IUPAC name of CH3 CH double bond CH single bond C triple bond CH. When double and triple comes together, then first of all we will follow the lowest sum rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4. So we will move from right to left. 1, 2, 3. But parent chain will be considered of double bond. So 1 ion. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 3 in. 1 pentine 3 in. 3 pentene 1 ion. 3 pentene 1 ion. 1 ion and 3 pentene or pent 3 in is the correct answer. Next is this structure, the IUPAC name of this compound. So cyclopropyl is attached here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C2H5 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. From both the directions, cyclopropyl is attached at 3 position. So we will move in a direction where double bond position is least. So 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So we will move in this direction. 1, 2, 3. 3 cyclopropyl pent 2-ene. 3 cyclopropyl 3 ethyl no. 1 cyclopropyl 3 cyclopropyl 2 pentene is the correct answer. Next question is this the IUPAC name of the compound is cyclohex chloro and bromo. So 1 bromo 2 chloro cyclohexane, 1 bromo 2 chloro cyclohexane. This D is the correct option. Next is the IUPAC name of this compound. Here two alicyclic rings are attached to each other. Yeah, and the rule is when two identical types of rings are attached to each other, then one is considered as substituent and another as parent chain. So cyclopentane. I repeat the rule. When two identical types of ring contains identical carbon numbers, the alicyclic ring chains are attached to each other, then one is considered as substituent and other is as parent chain or parent ring. So cyclopentane. First is the correct answer. Next is the IUPAC name of this group. So here cyclohex CS, CS3, CS2, CS3. Whenever alicyclic and open chain comes to each other and get attached, then greater the number will be considered as parent chain. So here ring is the parent and substituent is this. So at one position methyl is attached. So 1 methyl propyl cyclohexane. 1. This is 1 methyl propyl cyclohexane. 1 cyclohexyl, 2 cyclohexyl, 1 methyl propyl cyclohexane. C is the correct answer. Next is this. The IUPAC name of CH2CN, CSCN, CH2CN. Whenever terminal functional group like carboxylic, CN, CHO, etc. comes 3 or more than 3 times, then as per rule they are not included in longest carbon chain, and the longest carbon chain will be this 1, 2, 3 pro. So 1, 2, 3 propane, 1, 2, 3 trinitrile carbonitrile. So यहाँ पर here 1, 2, 3 propane nitrile, 1, 2, 3 tricyanopropane, no, 3 cyano, 1, 5 pentane, no, 1, 2, 3 propane tricyanide. So 1, 2, 3 propane trinitrile, 1, 2, 3 propane trinitrile. While most correct is carbonitrile, but here carbonitrile is not given, so 1, 2, 3 propane trinitrile will be the correct. This CH2 COOS, COS COOS, CH2 COOS. So if 3 or more than 3 times terminal functional group like carboxylic comes, then chain start from just after 1, and COOH are not included in longest carbon chain 1, 2 and 3. So we can note down this structure as this is CH2 COOH, COH, COOH, CH2 COOH. So this is the longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 2 hydroxy propane, 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid suffix is used here, so it becomes 2 hydroxy, 1, 2, 3 propane tricarboxylic acid. First is the correct option, and commonly it is called citric acid. It is called citric acid. This is formula for citric acid. Next is the IUPAC name of this compound. This is given here COCO. We can draw this structure here. Cl, this double bond O, double bond O, Cl. So each point represent about carbon. Each point represent about carbon. So it becomes CH2Cl. It becomes CH2. It becomes CH2. It becomes CH2Cl. So overall structure becomes this CO, CH2, CH2, Cl, Cl, CH2, CH2, CO. This is the actual structure. This is anhydride functional group, and here equal number of carbon presents. Therefore, probe, and this is 1, 2, 3. 3 chloropropanoic anhydride. So name will be 3 chloropropanoic anhydride. 1,7 dichloro, no. Beta chloro, no. 3 chloropropanoic anhydride is the correct answer. 3 chloropropanoic anhydride. Next is the IUPAC name of this CH3 CH3OOS C2H5. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So 2 methyl butanoic acid. 2 ethyl, 2 methyl, 1 2 methyl butanoic acid is the correct answer. Next is the IUPAC name of this phenyl group COO CH2CH2Cl. This is example of an ester where at alkyl position at position 2 chlorine is attached. So 2 chloroethyl benzoate. So 2 chloroethyl benzoyl, no. 1 chlorobenzoyl, no. 2 chloroethyl benzoate is the correct answer because at alkyl 1 to 2 position chlorine is attached. So 2 chloroethyl benzoate. Next is the IUPAC name of the cyclohexene. Also all will be 1. This will be 2. So cyclohex 2 in 1 all. Cyclohex 2 in 1 all. 3 all. 2 cyclohexenol. 2 in cyclohexane 1 all. So 1 to 2 in cyclohexane 1 all. This is the correct answer. Next is the IUPAC name of this structure. The structure given this structure is given here. Now each point represent about carbon. As per bond line notation, so here CH3, it will be CH, it will be CH2, it will be CH3. Carbon has 4 bonds, so as per bond line notation, this will be the overall structure. Now here bromo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We may move in any direction. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So now here the name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the structure is this given here. Since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the correct numbering in this direction. This will be the correct numbering like this here BR, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. this is methyl, this is methyl, 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 this is bromo, this is bromo. So 5-bromo 2,3-dimethyl hexane, 5-bromo 2,3-dimethyl hexane, 5-bromo 2,3-dimethyl hexane. D is the correct answer. Next is the IPSC name of this phenyl group CHCH3OCOCH3. This is carboxylic derivative. CH3COO ester. Here ester is present. In ester, a methyl is attached with carbon of ester, while this group is attached with oxygen. So in detail we can note down this problem as like this. This is phenyl group given. This is CH3 OC double bond OCH3. This is ester. As per rule, the ester's carbon is included where it is directly attached with the side chain. So this will be ethanoate. This will be ethanoate. And this is substituent. So 1, 2. Here at one position phenyl is attached. So 1 phenyl ethyl, 1 phenyl ethyl ethanoate. This is the correct IPSC name. Now search in the options. 1 phenyl, 1 acetyl oxy, no. 1 acetoxy ethyl, no. 1 phenyl ethyl ethanoate. 1 phenyl ethyl ethanoate. This is the correct answer. Next is the IPSC name of the cyclohexane as a substituent cyclohexyl. This is ester and this is CH2CH3. So this is a little different problem. This is cyclohexyl and C double bond O single bond CH2CH3. This is alkyl because attached with the oxygen of ester. This is cyclohexane and this is carboxylate. This is carboxylate. That's why ethyl cyclohexane carboxylate, because in alicyclic this carbon of carboxylate ester is not included in the ring. So ring is of 6 carbon cyclohexane. This is carboxylate. This is ethyl cyclohexyl carboxylate. So just see the option. Ethyl cyclohexyl or cyclohexane carboxylate. So ethyl cyclohexanoate, no. cyclohexyl propanoate, no. ethoxy cyclohexano कीटोन नहीं है. ethyl cyclohexane carboxylate. This is the correct answer. ethyl cyclohexane carboxylate. Next is this structure is given. Here the IPSC name of this compound, here C triple bond C. This is cyclic structure. We can draw this structure like this. We can draw this structure like this, and here at any position triple bond is given. Cyclooctine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 cyclooctine. So here Hexamethylene acetylene, no. Tetramethylene butadiene, no. 1,2-dipropylethyne, no. Cyclooctane is the correct answer. Cyclooctane is correct answer. The next is the IUPAC name of the cyclopentyl COH. When functional group is attached with the side chain, then open chain will be considered as the longest carbon chain, and this is 1 and 2 position is for OH, fixed position from 1 to 3 or 1 to 3, and at 2 position cyclopentyl. So 2 cyclopentyl propanol 2 cyclopentyl, 2 hydroxy, no. 1 hydroxy, no. 2 cyclopentyl, 2 propanol is the correct answer. Next is the IUPAC name of F3CCHBrCl. F3C, this F3CCHBrCl, C3 fluorine with CH, ClBr. So it's clear. 1 2 2 bromo, 2 chloro, 1 1 1 trifluoroethane. 2 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 bromo, 2 chloro, 1 1 1 trifluoroethane. This will be the correct answer. So dear students, this is all about for today in this segment. We will continue the same problems in next segment. Thank you everybody.